Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to automate task comments for project updates in ClickUp. First, navigate to the task you want to automate comments for. This helps us because it allows us to directly manage comments for a specific task, ensuring no important updates are missed. Next up, click on the Automations button located on the task toolbar. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. This is where we set up rules to automatically post comments based on certain triggers. Now that we've done that, you'll see a pop-up window. You're to choose the Comment on Task option under the Then section. The reason we do this is to set up the action that ClickUp will take when the rule is triggered. Once that is done, you can now customize your automatic comment by adding dynamic fields like task assignee, due date, or any custom field you have in your project. This helps us because it allows us to create personalized, relevant comments that provide the most pertinent updates for your project. Finally, click on Add Automation to set everything live. Let me explain why this matters. By automating your comments, you save time, reduce manual work, and ensure consistent project updates. And there you have it, folks. In just a few steps, you've learned how to automate task comments for project updates in ClickUp. Keep exploring. Keep automating, and I'll catch you in the next video.